guys, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you guys for watching our channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to our channel. If you are a return subscriber, thank you once again. Giving you what is going on in the farm, an update on what is going on in the farm. Guys, as you all know, some time ago I made you understand that the guys who did or built the pig pen did not do a good job on the floor, so the floor has already started being damaged here and there. We tried to fix it, but we realized that we have to really redo the whole floor. So we decided to start a new construction so that we can move the pigs to that side and take our time and then redo the floor. It is an expansion anyway, and we have begun as we promised. We're gonna start this year January. For some reason things has delayed a little bit, but thank God that we have started doing it. Guys, if you want to take this initiative, pig farming, I would really advise you to really consider a lot of things financially before you are able to start it, because it takes a lot of strength, a lot of energy, a lot of investment. It is not as simple as that. It is not as easy as that. It is not as easy as somebody will say. It takes a lot. It takes a lot. You have to try as much as you can and then put a lot of plan towards it. If not, you might start, but it will not work out well for you. You might go on, it will not well for you. So please try as much as you can. Yes, it is very important that you consider all those areas before you go into it. So far this is the plan, and this is what we are doing for now. If anybody has any suggestion concerning the pen expansion, just leave a comment and suggestion so that we will know what to add to our plan so far. It is very, very important. Very important, guys. And nowadays, feed is also a problem. Very, very expensive. If you have any source of getting feed at a cheaper price in the greater Ashanti region, please let us know and connect us as well. Let us know and connect us so that we can also benefit from those feeds. As you can see, proper work was not done, so a lot of damages here and there, and the pigs have multiplied and overgrown the pens, and we need to separate most of them, and it's a lot. It's a lot. But thank God that things are moving on well, gradually putting things together and see for a major boost and a major improvement in what we are about to do. Hopefully we'll be able to get this done once and for all. Guys, thank you, and God richly bless you all. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Share and hit the notification button so that when we share anything, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. Right now we have been able to make 2,000 blocks for now, and we believe that it might be, or it should be, enough for this one. And we believe this one is gonna be a little bigger than the old pen. Yes, this one is gonna be a little bigger than the old pen. So this is what it is. 2,000 blocks, and making our own blocks as usual. Because when we compare, we realize that it was much cheaper than buying the already made ones. So we decided to go our own way and then make more blocks. Maybe where you are, you think that it will be cheaper to buy. It's up to you, but we feel this way. Guys, this is it. If you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate. Thank you. God richly bless you. Subscribe to our channel and watch out for the update. Thank you all.